근데 선배가 오늘 좀 염치 나왔다. 오늘我靠，但你这辈子干燥给做的，真的没救了。OK， 大家오늘面试起来个一烂真呗。那你跟他在一起了吗？没有啊，什么？应该等你考完研的时候嘛，他不是还挺在意他那个前女友的吗？他从7点23吃到了9点06，他吃了1个小时29分钟。哎。读着真的上头了噻，把这同一呗，暧昧中啊，这暧昧中这，你在一起拿亲呗，可能他一冷没呗，你假如你不过些吃不下列下，我大把过些吃不是这俩，这视频这边呗，我这那么让徒弟我给见不是。那我就觉得，那你真的有点过分的在意他了哟，my baby。想看照片，照片你主页给看来作品给属于点日常事情没？我听到录比。毕竟分手没多久噻，啥垃圾上到几次这意思啦？什么的，这样越不可以主动联系哦，读这意思啊。但是我就这样子跟他主动联系的。但是我就是不想就这样耗着没呗。你还古语没然是呢，他就是觉得要认真，要谨慎，要好好的想。哎，那你也是男的生没呗？他可能就是因为年轻吧，所以他有花不完的时间去想这个事情，但是我就是没有，俺得上大的第一冲的，俺认真赢了，认真面了，哎呀，若不是赢了，若不就我们情面是咱的冷没呗？那你也是那挺重要的。但或者你明白，他最吸引你的点是什么噻？因为那些呢？没让他三轮拿落的个年拍有多的你该不普下，俺的呢硬的你该不普下，俺的呢他三轮拿落给这些呢，他就是那种很谨慎的，我就觉得很怎么说，就是很稀有。对，因为我觉得就是20几岁的男的没呗，就是25岁以下的，或者24、23、21、23的。22、23的，我独自唱我不是觉得就是就是你跟他能泡一会儿就泡一会儿呗，就是能耍一段时间就耍一段时间呗，又不用玩真的，是你得生呗。那我也不是那种很差劲的女孩，你得白活的活家你那么啦，所以他应该是觉得挑马的你们多得多，试一下吧，什么打吧，但是他不会这样子。这个不是我吸引的点，但是这是我觉得很罕见的一个现象。其实你闹我得是，那今天从多么让。今年才想的对吧？吸引点就是这个，我让拍这瞬间他现在哭没呗？拍给人得叫不得亲嘛嘞？那我的确是，要我是同意。越看越上头，睡不着噻。我得是要的是东西，现在我得是么让说来个月片说吃西说的有多啊，每次看的是周有面那的个，他们生那点全月吃不完的嘛嘞，你要是多生的，先不开始落群就些哈古梅，开始呢哈古梅是这么嘞，可能活的样啥么些那多，还会唱歌哎，我得吃。你讲两多，可能这些对什么？那边我的吃不上的拉呀哒，你这些卡路里动不这个丢些图明白？我得搞比，这可能是最吸引我的点，就是这个人不是那种 마치 방금 전에 제치로 인지 부지부시키 나로 코프 동건 제첸这말다 오늘 거라 나로 자라 유교 부분这下像罗你去测送2个字语呢我那就是有点难得嘛嘞但就是我对难的标准已经很低了很多体位讲很多对没呗还会跳过呢thành几三嘛呗아 게임샤나 쇼기 사무란게 장아 게임샤나 쇼기 ngaran야 벽이 갈사고 셰르 부르바사 니케랑 알르고 안저 마르달비 nga ko lebyan je martalbi range nga o range she chengyo xiabru ding a lemne zhigzhi de nga wo she lebyan je nga ge wo ge zme da lebi an zhe sa an rang da chouxing me ba sa ni range she kam she so de zhe ni sha chouxing me de le se wo she ni chouxing yu da lebi当啊弟弟我chouxing ne chou wo ma ra an mi da de ge ji peju dong yu da cha ra ra xin yu ne peju yang sa ma de je zhu ma ba da wo de su chi le你啊，你的车型没了噻？那可就自豪插线，那或者顶没呗？哈，咱们那检修的，但你让俩过些乐过吧噻？人家你们都对你让过些乐过啊噻，你生没呗？我就感觉他就是还是在打算就是跟我见面或者跟我有一个后面的一个故事发生。心碎什么的嘞？啊，我旁边过些乐的些单这碎什么的嘞？亲，你咋不讲普通话？一句都没有听，因为我的受众不是普通话讲，我受众是讲2-3个语言的主人，所以你听不懂。就是你被我的这个斩杀线给排除了，不好意思，真的。我这里面的人大部分都能听懂三种语言，然后最少也能听懂2种语言，所以我就想说什么都说什么。毕竟谁不爱独脸？切赞，是吧？大年话说，今天怎么了？你很生气噻？我得弄那么多，你弄的嘛血菜了，你天清度。哈哈哈，没有生气，小个你清没白快。弄冷个没呗，做当个家姐，超火人的心没呗，我先拿我的家去。很担心你啥？什么的，弄的开火什么人？什么干净嘛那些？大话领度。是我的幻想吗？他说我们俩要视频聊天是我的幻想吗？你幻想吗啦？Bro, I will get your money. I will send you money to my card from my cell phone, so I have to wait for it. This is why I ask you today. So I give you because of I need cash to do some things. All this unnecessary what you did today. Like seriously, 哦嗨，他又在怪我了哟。困住，那个傻逼男，他又在怪我说，哎，你今天做的这一切，你觉得有必要吗？他说我会把你请你 ，But you, bro, I'm gonna fucking call you, like. 呱，但我要轰炸一下他。现在给我们呗，现在。This is your problem, not mine. Okay. But you said you're gonna give me today. You promised me了比。And this is your problem, not mine 了比。可卡几钱不是想啊？理由看些没呗？你看那个的，看那看个不是你但我也有晓得，我就给他不晓得，没得。If you know you're gonna have this issue, why you're gonna have this issue? Why you ask me to change? 他又找机会不给咱没有的男人就斩我，撒不动啊，撒不动啊，说是没办。Are you dumb? Oh, this was unnecessary. What you did today, like seriously, bro, seriously, like it's necessary. Okay, bro, it's necessary because I can see your true color. Look that. 啥动 ？OK， 到我要下播了。那么年纪点你准备呗？你们还要看吗？我不知道你们在看谁，你们在干什么？还去啊，工作的。你，当我来念啊，行。可性别是那嘞，弄那个，他话领度，你弄了，他话几个月。没得 ，boss 吗？白话了噻，也没有白话，我觉得他后面会搞蛋疼，因为现在才9点嘛嘞。我没有白话，至少我知道了这个东西会让我磨皮。卡萨第一名，卡萨高光，卡萨。没有白话。他今年那他就是吃不过来有几吧？2年级给过来。哦。我的脸真的有点恐怖啊！啊 ，Hello， How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good. Where are you at?
I'm outside. I went to buy something. I'm going to my friend's place.
To do what?
My other friend is there. If you see, I went to buy a drink. I'm still going back there. Yeah, just drinking and having fun, just talking.
Okay.
What's that?
Nothing. I'm speaking Tibetan.
Where are you?
I'm home. I'm talking about like my camera because I'm using iPad to call you, so I want to see like if my camera is like okay, you know what I mean, like.
Where are you going to that you're dressed up?
I'm not dressing up. This is my usual, like I put my makeup on.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I know.
Where are you heading to?
I'm not heading to nowhere. I swear, I'm just gonna sleep. I'm kind of tired today.
Nice.
Yeah. So, which friends you are going to?
My former place.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to my former place.
Ah, okay. Okay, nice.
Nice. What is that, man? I'm hearing some voice. Ooh, I don't know what they are doing.
Who?
I don't know. I'm hearing some voices. I don't know. They are shouting.
Okay. Are they having argument, bro? Like, should I tell you one thing today, right?
Yeah.
Okay, there's one guy, all right,
Yeah.
and he's my friends, and like a week ago, and he told me to like help him to change some money, that I give him the cash from ATM, and he's gonna like transfer me from the Revolut, all right.
Yeah.
And until now it's been a week and he's not giving me back my money, and it's not like he borrow money from me. It's like he asked me to change the money, you get me.
Yeah.
And then I was so mad, and today it's like I'm always like texting him, asking like, oh, when you gonna send me the money? Like, it's not about like I borrow you the money, it's about like you ask me to change. So I thought the money is not gonna like receive like on my account like really fast, and why you're not like answering my call, blah, blah, blah. I told him, and today he was asking me to go out.
He was asking you to do what?
To go out.
How? Like, go out with him.
Huh?
He was asking you to go out with him.
Yeah, without giving back money.
Yeah, maybe he wants to give you the money when you go out with him.
That's the thing, alright? That's the thing. Today, I was like, okay, let's just meet outside of my house, alright? And then, like, I wasn't about like go out with him, alright? And I lied to him because last time I remember, like, he said like, okay, maybe I'm gonna give you the cash back. Maybe like I have a cash, I'm gonna give you the cash. So I was like, okay, let's just meet up and we can talk like face to face. You get me?
Yes, I hear you.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like today, and he was like, he just came without any money, and then he was like, yo, what's up? Then I was like so pissed off, and then I was like, bro, like what the fuck, like you let me wait for so long and you came here right now without even having the money.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's so bad. I really want to beat this nigga up for real.
Can you beat him up?
Huh?
Can you beat him up?
I mean, if I have some friends, yes. Not alone, not like 1v1. Yeah, but like, yeah, I can try. And then I was so mad, and then today he was like, oh, like what you do today, is it like so necessary? Like, oh, you are doing this, you know, like why you do this to me, blah blah blah. You get me?
Wait, let me call you back. Yeah.
Bro, you don't have to call me. No, go back. Bye.
Sorry.
Bye.
What is it?
Bro, you don't have to call me. You are busy. You don't have to call me.
I'm leaving. I want to come down now. I want to meet my friend.
That's what I'm saying. Yo, okay, you can go.
She talk better then.
Huh?
I will call you when I get some.
No, you don't have to.
Actually, if you don't pick my call, I know that you are doing something bad.
Bro, I'm not doing anything bad. What you talking about? No. You don't have to call me right now. You don't have time to listen to my thing, so you don't have to call me.
I want to listen, but not now. I'm like,
but I want to tell you right now because this is what happened today.
I can't listen. I can't hear you very well. That's the problem. It's like a bit noisy. And like the next stop is mine, but if you want, you can tell me, but like you're not listening to it, like you understand me.
You are not listening, no.
Like now, yes, I can.
No, you're not listening.
I was listening before.
Nah, you're not. Bro, you're not.
Who is your bro?
You are, because you are not listening what I'm saying.
I'm listening, but it's noisy.
It's noisy, but you can listen what I'm saying. It's I didn't ask you to listen, to radio, like a radio that you have to listen so carefully. No, it's
Okay. Continue. You don't win. You don't.
okay.
You won, so.
I won?
You won, you're the winner.
Okay, I'm the winner. All right. Okay. So that's what I'm saying. Like I feel so bad. Like not so bad, but like I feel like people are like always fooling me. You get me? Like
That's crazy.
Yeah.
So what is he saying now?
So he said, okay, in the morning, I talked to him like face to face. I was like super mad. I was literally like yelling on the street, right? And later on, he was like, it's okay. Like, I'm gonna give you back. I'm gonna give you, it's not like I'm gonna take your money and run away, blah, blah, blah. Why are you doing this? Why you are like giving me this attitude, blah, blah. And then he was like kind of blaming on me. You get me?
Why is he blaming you?
Because of I'm mad. I was mad, and he was like, "Oh, why you act crazy right now? Why you're yelling on the street?" But then I was like, "Bro, it's all because of you don't give me back my own fucking money, and then right now you are blaming me." Yeah. Then I was like so pissed off, and then he was like, "Nah, it's okay. I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna give." So I was like, When the fuck you gonna give me?" And then he was like, "Oh, today before today ends." And right now it's already like 9. Right now it's already like 9:26, and he's not giving me still. And then you know what he said? He said like, "Oh, like all this stuff is like necessary, like unnecessary. Why you are being mad? Blah blah blah." Then I was like, "Bro, fuck you." And then he said like today, like I said like when like what time exactly? Then he was like, "Oh, before 12 I'm gonna give you." And then he texted me again. He was like, "Oh, you can wait for longer." He said like he's still waiting for the car, like the car issue, blah blah blah. Then I was like, "Bro, shut the fuck up." Like I said like wait, let me tell you what I said. Okay. Okay. Oh shit! Like he replies me. I said like okay. He said like, "Bro, that's why I asked you today. I give you because of I need a cash, blah, blah, blah." And also, all this was unnecessary what you did today. Like, seriously. And then I said, like, "Bro, you said you give me today. You promised me. And this is your problem, not fucking mine. And if you know you're gonna have this issue, why you ask me to change? Are you fucking dumb?" And I said, "Bro, literally it's necessary because I can see your true color." And okay, this is what he said, okay? "Bro, I've been honest with, and when I asked you, didn't expect to take long. That's why it wasn't a problem. I had often the money, but had used, I like, what?
Is it from your country?
No, he's not.
I see.
So he's always saying like, "Oh, my car, there's an issue, blah, blah, he's just fooling me. Am I really looks easy to fool, to be honest? Huh?
You're very funny.
Bro, am I looks easy to fool, to be honest?
I don't know.
You don't know?
You're funny.
I know, I'm a fun girl. I'm the most funniest girl in the world. I know this. But bro, honestly, I'm really curious by myself, like right now, like why those people are doing this thing to me, like.
Maybe the guy don't have money to give you, that's why.
But why from the first place that they're asking me to change? They could have just borrow, like they could have just say like, "Oh, can I borrow this money?"
Maybe he didn't have the money to borrow.
Bro, what? He didn't have the money to borrow?
Like he didn't have the mind, like
Oh, the mind. Okay.
Yeah, to borrow. Like he didn't have the mind to borrow.
Okay, but that's crazy, right? That's crazy.
So he had to trick you.
That's true. So can you help me to beat this nigga up?
Why?
Cause I wanna beat him up.
No.
Why?
Because you might have fucked him.
What?
So why would I go and beat someone that you fucked?
Bro, excuse me, I didn't fuck him. If I had, why would I tell you? Why would I tell you this thing? I know you don't care about all of this stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Why would I tell you?
Okay, you know I care about all this stuff.
Yeah, I know. So like you might know like all of this stuff. So why would I tell you this story?
Nothing. I'm just saying. I'm just assuming. Can't I assume? Can't I assume?
Can you assume?
Yes.
Assume what? You assume that we fucked.
Yes.
Eish, bro, this is all you have in your brain.
Not what I have in my brain. I just see it.
Hey, that's crazy.
It's not what I have in my brain.
That's literally see. That's what you see. Have you seen like me and here fucking? No, right?
I don't know. I'm asking.
Bruh. Okay, why the topic is changed to this thing? I'm asking you like, can you help me to beat him up?
Well, why did the topic change for me to go and beat my fellow man?
Beat you what?
Why did the topic change for you to ask me to go beat my fellow man? Like, my fellow man, you know? He's a man like me and you want me to go and beat him up.
You can beat him up, I know. Because you are strong. No?
Yes, but it's like I don't want to fight.
You don't want to fight for me. You don't want to fight for a girl.
I don't want to fight and girls, I don't want to fight. But wait, let's stop later. I'm here already. I want to go upstairs.
Alright. Okay, before you fight anyone, okay, please go inside. Okay.
I call you back.
Alright, bye. Enjoy. 저 사실 그러면 왜? 니 로봇이 니 로봇들이 나다 난고 과집 정아 갑교 유승에 미시면 왜 어디를 거래? 콩 니 사람한테 등기 중나 로래. 코리 콩아 원데사. 나란다 차스기 미 주비사한테 니마 선유유사. 니마 콩이 안메치도 마 콩 원데사 유유사.让他 차스기 미인산데. 우유 삽시나 호치미 배. 그래서但这他前让俺们这还差生么呗？可我这可俺这主有些但俺没那么三的来的么些，俺主么人不懂人不这些我嘛的。你们在这个地方现在几点？他们出去过得刚从说你。或者是爱让化妆去呗是？被一个人看到了我化妆了，还有被352个人看到我化妆了。哇，当个可样的去，When you need it, I helped you, but when I need it, you don't help me. 可弄线了，或者鬼不着，可俺一块通不成这去，不这去，那啥，you just overthinking and make an issue while there wasn't 啥。If I said I will give you 啥，I will get my money on my card and I will send you 啥。But what you do today was very low 啥。Well, I called you to chill and vibe, and you did that 啥。That's why very low 啥，就是我今天做法就是很 low 啥。Saying things like you don't know what I will do to you, sir. What the fuck will I do to you, sir? And for what, sir? 你这了比 because but I need it right now 了比。我觉得是你拿姐妈妹子的，去年明年三这俩，明年俩上那两个啊，这是那俺我起来养狗嘛吧？起来你是我养狗嘛啦？我养狗你当俺谈的这通都上那叫了，你上等的。你说嘛啦？可能俺地广大的打广大过来这是的。If I knew it's gonna take that long, why 말다? I won't even help you, 'cause I have my boundary 看这B U N boundary. I have my boundary. Boundaries 看这是出来。I have my boundary. 我的底线。Boundaries 看这是出来。他不给下有理了我。啥不动？Cause I have my boundary. Okay, boundary. Okay. Turns. OK， 第三，哎呦，你身边男的都是缺钱的吗？啥？我身边也有男的不缺钱。但是他不是我身边的男的呀，然后登记同名是嘞，他也不是我身边缺钱的呀，他也不是我身边的男的，他们都不算我身边的男的，我身边的异性一个比一个好，不需要钱。取决于我的感情所主。大家记不记得碰没完？出动警报这点没完？不打视频啊啥？念的了不让你哭白了，我跟他说了一下，我说，当然一定听我那我那个牛的，是你学去就过得干么的浪嘛的，但我不知道他能，我再打一次电话吧，你记不记得？群用卡是的，你不接的话我就准备睡啦。没得。怎么想？好累哦，肚子错。这啦看俺那录啊着，你看俺那得录。那咋有小的？诺诺还没吃完嘛？是吃完了。啊，诺诺还没吃完了，妈哎，把我卡起来点呢。现在，我看到有人发朋友圈了噻，俺来下学起来的哎，我看当下，媳妇子吧，你看当下是没去吧？第有牙齿，第你学的，你妈个，记住你别学。第有牙齿，那是没个你这那么多。现在在下很大的雨伞，我那得掐不线了，等多哎。下一拿了，OK。有啥？妈的去，你等于出门呗，给我去噻。啊，看来人家桌， 佳姐打你说去，一个人独居嘛噻，不是独居。那花过东西掉了。那才能千里桥，真是千里桥。独居嘛，这俺手有的喂。Hello? Are you sleeping? Bro, are you sleeping?
Does it sound like I'm sleeping?
Huh?
Does it sound like I'm sleeping?
I don't know, cause you are not like picking up my call. I thought you are sleeping. That's why I'm asking.
Really? Am I not picking up your call?
No, yeah. Look. Like how many times I called you?
Well, how many times did you call me?
Like I don't know, 100 times.
Oh, you only called me one time.
Okay, yeah, one time. Okay, why not? Why you are not picking up the call?
Drama queen.
Drama queen. You are drama queen.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, give me one example.
Because he was like, oh, I had a bad day. I really had a bad day. I really doesn't have the mood. But then I was asking, what happened? What happened? He was like, because I'm not gonna tell you right now. Like how drama you are.
So you're making fun of me, so I'm never gonna tell you about that ever again. Okay, I see.
Bro, that's not making fun. You are just telling me, give you an example. That's the example that I'm giving. Hey.
No. I see how it is.
Actually, that's literally nothing. That's not a making joke. I'm not making joke.
Okay, it's okay. It's fine. So it's whatever. You know?
Is it? Is it whatever?
I guess so.
Okay, so how's your dinner? How's your video?
The video was great.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Okay. How's your dinner?
I ate so much. It was so much. Oh.
Okay.
So cool.
Are you laying down right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think like should I call you on video call?
If you want to, yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna call you back.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
可把就是好就是，但我真的有点想挂这个，我看的是啊，我脑啊没去，你得去没得去学中文的去。我要挂一下这个，我要挂一下这个。哎，你们在这待着吧，我为什么要带你们去呢？哎，你得了，你这边给这的视频聊天起来了你，有啥？打吧，打电话吧。对。快赢呢！笑死我了噻！开始了吗？开始了吗？就是我得这是当个猪，当个花生意，当个花叫猪。你的钱吹点小。OK，就这样吧，就这样吗？要对， 拜拜拜拜拜拜拜拜拜拜拜。是不是跟你视频聊天还得叫嘞？不行，我们可以噻，拜拜拜拜。来，明天我们来继续一下我们俩的后续，对不对？你给什么叫哪个？用手机视频，对啊，用我的这个手机视频啊。行的，拜拜。我们能这么久噻啊！光打 ，sorry。嘛，这那他应该是那么说呢，就是去扩大考完就比如嘛，底桥嘛打什么来，语音桥嘛打什么来。不要这样嘛，是好狠心噻，抱歉。生意明天继续，我做生意给写的嘛来。花西给，拜拜。